Pandemic has proved that skills go beyond education, jobs go beyond degree, and college goes beyond infrastructure. But the catch is having everything in between the two extremes. At Noble University, we are striving to achieve just that. The absence of educational institutes in Surat region for higher studies resulted in migration of a lot of talent from Junagadh and surrounding regions to bigger cities of Gujarat. While there is nothing wrong with this, some students were not able to afford staying away from home or higher fees. We took it up as our duty to bridge this gap by starting Noble Group of Institutions in the year 2007, thus becoming the pioneer of quality higher education in Junagadh region. There was no looking back once we embarked on this journey of learning. We are now a family of 22 colleges spanned across 59 disciplines matching the global trends. Noble University is shaping the future of more than 5,000 students each year. Students have a free hand in selecting courses and can hone their skills in our professional programs like medical, paramedical, pharmacy, engineering, nursing, management and commerce and science. Commuting facilities to nearby regions has resulted in reduced college dropouts rates and helped in developing industry-ready skills among students belonging to villages where earlier getting a degree was a dream away. We understand the need to be closer of nature for uplifting learning spirits and campus that is spread across 35 acres with over 4 lakh square feet of infrastructure, meeting the standard requirements for technology-driven classrooms, labs, workshops, field area, offers the wide expanses of mystic Girnar ranges. This has helped us in instilling humbleness, kindness, and humanness in our students. To ensure that our students don't have to search for boarding facilities, we provide a home away from home within the campus. Our executive hostel accommodates more than 2,000 girls and boys who enjoy facilities like hygienic food, gym, and a well-maintained sports complex. Our skilled-focused education format is driven by 21 computer labs consisting of 1,000 plus highly configured system to make sure that students stay current. We believe in the power of reading that can shape young mind, and thus our library is home to 85,000 plus books. Our motto is to train a generation that is future ready. Our events like Endeavour, Sportsmania, Project Pair, Job Fair, festival celebrations, etc. are ideated, designed, undertaken and coordinated by students. Such events and activities help in developing their soft skills. We believe in giving back to the society, and our medical and paramedical students organize free healthcare camps within our campus hospital, wherein Ayurvedic and homeopathic approaches are used to treat patients. Teachers are as much a part of a learning process as are our students. To keep everyone motivated, we provide an atmosphere that is led by innovations. We organize national and international level conferences wherein we invite experts from multiple disciplines to share their knowledge with our faculties and students. We feel honored to share that we organize regular workshops given by ISRO's current chairman. At Noble University, we maintain that it is crucial to have a culture exchange with the world to understand the global diaspora. To fulfill this, we encourage our students to take part in the student exchange program, wherein selected students from technical fields go abroad to study for 1 semester. Such an exposure helps in shaping our students as a tolerant populace who know their way around the world. We know that not all students come from an affluent background. To facilitate education for all, we have generous givers who make it possible for us to welcome every student irrespective of their background. The scholarships given to high-performing and financially weak students help in boosting the overall morale of the university. The internet And now the pandemic has changed the dynamics of education and professional work. To make our students prepared for anything that comes in their way, we have partnered with more than 150 industries across multiple sectors. Such collaboration have brought us good outcomes in the form of increased job opportunities. The team at Noble University are dreamers. We have the fire to produce consistent fuel for moving towards all the tomorrows. For taking education and our students to unimaginable heights, we are breaking stereotypes with the way we move forward to adapt to the global changes. Our visions are traveling at the speed of light, and we are confident to take our students in the spaceship called Growth towards the future. Noble University, Global Vision.